Good afternoon, everyone. Now today we are going to revise the topic multiply, because this time in your annual syllabus you are having addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the four topics are there in your third term syllabus. So already we have done this all, but now we are going to revise and slowly you can understand what type of questions may come in your exam. So let us revise today the topic multiplication. See, today I have written some question on the board. Some are 2 digits number, some are 1 digit number. So if the 1 digit number, answer may be in 2 digit number or 1 digit number. So let us try. The first one is 21 into 2. See, we know we have to first multiply the ones house. So first ones house if you are multiplying, so you may multiply 2 into 1 or 1 into 2. Both answers will be same. So 2 ones are 2. Now I am going to cross multiply. Now this side. Now 2 twos are 4. Please follow. If by chance if you are forgot, you can remember again. You can recollect your things what you have done. So 2 twos are 4. So we can say that 21 multiplied by 2, the answer will be 42. Next one, 33 into 3. Now see, we are going to multiply first this 3 into 3. This 3 into 3. So both the numbers are 3. So no problem. You can count the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Now I am going to write here 9. Now again 3 into 3. That means again 3 threes are what? So 3 threes are 9. Now, so we can say 33 multiplied by 3, the answer is 99. Always put TO before multiplying, because it will help you to build the concept of place values, because first we have to multiply the ones house, then only we will go to the tens house. Next one, 34 multiplied by 2. Now, first we will multiply 2 into 4 or 4 into 2, both the answers are same. So, we will multiply 2 fours are how much? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So, we are going to write here 8. Now, we will count again the table of 2 till 3 is coming. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So, we are going to write here 6. So, 34 multiplied by 2 is 68. Now, next one, see, 84 multiplied by 1. So, let us first count one table of 1. So, 1 fours are how much? 1 fours are 4. And now, 1 multiplied by 8 is how much? 1 eights are 8. Now we can say 84 multiplied by 1, the answer will be the digit itself, that is 84. Now next, 23 multiplied by 3. So we will count the table of 3. 3 threes are how much? 3 threes are 9. Now we will count the table of 3 until 2 is coming. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So the answer is 69. So 23 multiplied by 3, the answer is 69. Now next one, 11 multiplied by 9. So 9, either you multiply 9 into 1 or 1 nines are, whichever table is easier you feel, you multiply. So 1 nines are 9 or 9 ones are 9. Again the same thing we are going to do, cross multiply. So 9 ones are 9. Next one, see here only single digit is given. Tens house is vacant. Tens house is vacant. So we will multiply 8 into 7 or 7 into 8. So let us read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are, yes, 7 eights are how much? 56. So I will write 56 like this, so that in the 10th house I am writing 5 and in the 1st house 6 will be written. So we have to fill it like this. Now the next question, anything multiplied by 0 is 0 we know. So we will multiply here, 2 zeros are how much? 2 zeros are 0. Now we will do the cross multiply. 2 fours are how much? Or 4 twos are? 4 twos are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. If you are reading the table of 2, then also you will see 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So then also 8 will come. So this way we have done some of the multiplication. Let us try one few more. Let us see. Suppose I am writing here 30 into 3, then 22 into 3, 44 into 2, and 10 into 5. Now let us solve these few questions. See, here also anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So if you are multiplying 3 multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. Now next one, 3 zeros are 0. We are going to write here 0. Now 3 multiplied by 3, that means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So I am going to write here 9. Next, we will multiply 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So I am going to write here 6. Now again you have to cross multiply. Here also the same digit is there. So 3 twos are 6. Now let us try the next question. 44 into 2. So we will count the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So we are going to write here 8. Now again the same number is there. So again we know we can read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we can write there 8 also. So either 2 into 4 or 4 into 2, no problem. Whichever multiplication table you feel easier, you count that one. Next one, 5 zeros are how much? We know 5 zeros are 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So 5 zeros are 0. Now 5 ones are how much? 5 ones are 5. Now this way you practice more sums at home, because obviously this type of questions will come. Even dodging may come, fill in the boxes may come, or multiplication fact will come. So those pattern also we will practice in other videos, because they are also important from the point of view of your exam. So whatever pattern is in your book, all varieties you should practice. Okay. So today up to this. Thank you children.